Hello everyone, see you again. Right now I just stay in my farm. So here that you can see one very old well here. Just value for a long time. So just stay in the under the sunshine, and it's difficult. It was so deep, right? So it's difficult to take the water from this deep well here. But I have the new idea that you can see in front of me, with a metal drum and with the plastic pipe here. This I make a new project to take to pull the water from this deep well here. So this project still be called free energy water pump, right? There's no need electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water from this well, deep well here. Okay, and right now you can see one pipe just through into this well, they will call input pipe that I use with a 34mm, right, to connect with this metal drum, right, metal drum. This metal drum is very important, yet I use it to make a pressure to suck the water from this deep well here. So but don't forget, you don't use the plastic drum because it's easy to deform. You have to use this kind of drum, like a metal drum, because it's so rich, it's not easy to deform, right? And this, you can see one valve here, this we call ear check valve, ear check valve that I use for filling the water to this main drum. And don't forget, before you process or pan over the end of the output pipe, you have to fill the water to this main drum around 90% or until it's full, because when we open the end of the output pipe, the drum will make the pressure to pull the water from this very old well here, right? Okay, this that you can see the standing pipe here that I use with two double using, right? One use for ear check, right? Ear check. Another one you with the just use as ear pressure, right? Ear pressure to start or to stop the ear when you come back from the end of the pipe when we process or open the end of the output pipe. Okay, and right now it's full here. Okay, how does it work right now? Let's go to see it with me. And but the other one, don't forget, when you connecting between pipe to pipe, you have to use the glue, right? Make sure no linking, right? In waterproof. Okay, right now, how does it work here? I will open it, and this you can see the wire check here that I use for closing and opening when I need the water or I don't need the water, right? Okay, right now you can see here it's with a broken, but it's not important like this. Okay, I start to open it. How does it work here? Okay, it's not strong like the electric machine, right? But it's non-stop. It continue flow the water like this. Okay, it's non-stop. Maybe 24 hours per day. Yes. Enough. It's very good method of without electricity. We can use this project to install to use in their village or in their community. Okay, now you see I will leave it and then go to recheck it, and then I say goodbye to all of you. Okay, I leave it. Okay, go to recheck it. It have any drinking or not, and you go to I will show you the water flow, water drop in this main drum here, in this main drum. Okay, I hear the water dropping in this main drum, so means my project success. And don't forget also your process, our project, you have to recheck, make sure no linking, right? Because even we use the glue, but if we don't, when install it not properly, we can have anything to link. Okay, thank you so much, and hopes you If you have something to ask me, you can ask me below this video by comment. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.
Bạn